Go ahead. What's going on, guys? So we have a brand new Supra here getting, I'll call it routine maintenance. We're doing a downpipe install, an AMS downpipe. And I figured I'd walk around really quick, get some videos before I actually pull it in the shop and get started on the job. I've never seen inside of a new Supra. I am going to start it up and pull it in. I will be right back. We have the downpipe here, all laid out nicely. The instructions are online. They are very nice and detailed too. And as I'm gonna get out of the way, we have it racked up in the air. And if you've never seen underneath, see if the glare, hold on, let me turn around because the glare is getting to me. Figured I'd just do it underneath because, well, if you've never been underneath one now, I guess you can say you have been. And as I try not to hit my head, there you go. So we're gonna get started on this job. I'll get some videos in between. I've been trying to cover just the basic stuff that you guys don't see maybe on a daily basis here. You know that we do a lot of custom fab work, big turbo builds, big supercharger stuff. But I don't know if you really want to consider this routine maintenance, but that's kind of what I'm trying to go for here and document, guys. So we have the downpipe off. Can you mute the radio real quick or no? Sorry about that. As I say in my videos, and I'm going to yell because somebody is welding behind me. We are a full-out shop, so I don't expect anybody to stop working when I'm doing the video, so I tell them to carry on. So you can see the old downpipe is right here compared to the new downpipe. We had to transfer over the little gasket ring onto the new one. The instructions are very clear from AMS. Thank you, AMS, on that one. That's about it. So if we look underneath the car, you can see where the downpipe goes. There's the turbo. So that's what we got going on. We're gonna put the new downpipe on, reassemble. I'll come back and go from there. So just a routine job here. And we work on more besides Hondas and Acuras. Because we get that phone call at least once a day, 2 times a day, whatever. Hey, do you guys do stuff besides Honda and Acura? We do. We are a full-out maintenance shop, full-out performance shop. So the one thing we don't do here is body work. If you got a Supra, a Dodge, we could take care of you. I was actually going to mention too, so the back uses it's like a slip fit type. It doesn't use a flange, which you know, comes out, keeping in mind that these cars are fairly new, so we don't have a lot of rust on them, but they are rusting a little bit in a sense where if you do look at the exhaust underneath, you know, so over time stuff's gonna rust, and I'm sure it's gonna be a little bit harder to do, of course, especially if the cars are driven in Chicago weather all around. But yeah, so just wanted to show you guys that that's what you're working with on the back side, and then the top side is more the traditional V-band type flange. So we are all done and complete. Everything is back to how it should be. Got the new downpipe in there. We'll put all his old parts back in his car. There you go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get it up in the air We're gonna check for any type of leaks, make sure that we got no leaks. And after that, the job will be all done. So getting used to that camera flipping around real time. We'll be right back when he gets it lowered down. So we'll get a quick video too of the sound, because there's actually 2 modes on this car. I'm gonna come back here so you guys can hear it. So this is gonna be the stock mode. Go ahead. Okay. And then if you open it up too, because I'm sure people want to know the difference with a downpipe if it sounds any different. So that was the stock mode, and then when you open it up and put it in sport mode, go ahead. So there you go. So just trying to give you guys some maybe info if you're looking to purchase a downpipe. If you're looking to purchase a downpipe or have it installed here, shoot us a message, give us a call.